Patient rights. Safe and quality care. Patient should receive the safe and quality care. Quality care means what? Quality in terms of hygiene, infection control, proper privacy, proper care. Should be communicated well. Patient should be clarified for all their doubts. Patient, whatever the patient requirement wise, the care should be given to the patient. Patient can ask the question and clarify the doubt. Patient can ask n number of questions to the consultant about their treatment and they can clarify their doubts with the consultant. There will be no deny for any doubts or any questions to the patients. Second opinion, every patient is having the rights to have the second opinion. None of the doctor in the world is the god or they are 100% perfect in the treatment. There will be a 0.1% chance where the patient can get the second opinion and clarify their doubt and they can relax themselves for the treatment. Yes, doctors are very good in the hospitals. Some doctors are excellent also, but yes, the second opinion is always the requirement for any treatment. So patient is having rights to have the second opinion. None of the doctor will mind or they will never think wrong about the patient when they are going for the second opinion. Always doctors also prefer for the second opinion and they also do the peer review with the other consultant for the critical cases. So getting a second opinion will help you for your peace of mind, to make you happy and to relieve from the frustrations. Take right treatment for the right decision for your treatment. Understand your condition. Identify where you are standing. Identify your conditions, list out all the treatments wherever you have get the second opinion, whatever the doctors has been told, list out the requirement of your health, then gather all the information, then you decide that what treatment is best for you. Don't go for the one consultation, one treatment at one time. Seek the second opinion, do the right decision for your treatment, because health is the most important thing. Health is wealth. Confidentiality and privacy is the most important in the hospital. Every hospital staffs have to respect your confidentiality of your health records and your privacy during the treatment. So you have all the rights to ask for your respect, for your privacy and for your confidentiality of the records. Express your concerns and grievances whenever you are visiting the hospitals. You express your grievance or concerns or your compliment also, not only the concern and grievance, you express your compliment, so it will improve the staff to perform more better. And you express your concern and grievances to the hospital wherever you feel like there is the requirement of improvement. So hospital management will take it as a positive way and they will do the definitely improvement of that concern, and they will take the concerns as a priority and they will do the corrective preventive action for the grievances. Thank you.